Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich and diverse world of Brazilian cuisine to uncover a hidden gem, Quibebe. Now, you might be thinking, Quibebe? What's that? Well, stick around because we're about to reveal some fascinating unknown facts about this traditional Brazilian dish. So, what exactly is Quibebe? Quibebe is a delicious and hearty Brazilian dish that traces its roots back to the indigenous communities of the country. It's a flavorful stew made primarily from pumpkin or squash, and it's a staple in many Brazilian households. Indigenous origins. Our first unknown fact. Quibebe's indigenous origins. The dish has its roots in the traditions of the native people of Brazil, who cultivated and cooked with pumpkins long before the arrival of European settlers. Quibebe is a wonderful example of how Brazilian cuisine has been shaped by centuries of cultural exchange. Quibebe is more than just a dish, it's a connection to our heritage. The indigenous communities used pumpkins in various ways, and Quibebe is a beautiful representation of that ancient culinary wisdom. Regional variations. Now, here's another surprising fact. Quibebe isn't a one-size-fits-all dish. There are numerous regional variations that add unique twists to the recipe. In some areas, you might find Quibebe prepared with a hint of coconut milk, while in others, it could feature regional spices and herbs. Seasonal delight. Here's a seasonal twist. Quibebe is often associated with certain times of the year. In Brazil, it's particularly popular during the winter months when pumpkins are in abundance. Families gather around the table to enjoy this warm and comforting dish that not only fills the stomach but also warms the heart. Culinary symbolism. Here's a fact that adds a layer of symbolism to Quibebe. In some Brazilian communities, the dish is not only a delicious meal but also a symbol of unity and sharing. It's often prepared in large quantities during celebrations and gatherings, fostering a sense of community and togetherness. The versatility of Quibebe. Quibebe isn't just a one-trick pony. While the classic version with pumpkin is the most common, creative cooks have experimented with different ingredients. Some adventurous chefs have incorporated a variety of vegetables, meats, and even seafood to put a unique spin on this traditional dish. The health benefits. Now, let's talk health. Quibebe isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It's also packed with nutritional goodness. Pumpkins, the star ingredient, are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. So, not only does it satisfy your cravings, but it also gives your body a nutrient boost. Nutrition expert. Quibebe is a fantastic choice for those looking to enjoy a delicious meal while incorporating wholesome, nutrient-dense ingredients into their diet. The health benefits are just an added bonus. Quibebe in celebrations. Brace yourselves for this one. Quibebe isn't just a weekday dinner option. In some Brazilian regions, it takes center stage during special occasions and celebrations. From birthdays to weddings, Quibebe has secured its spot as a go-to dish for festive feasting. Quibebe's cultural resilience. One remarkable aspect of Quibebe is its cultural resilience. Despite the changing culinary landscape and the influx of global cuisines, Quibebe has stood the test of time. Its deep cultural roots and adaptability have allowed it to remain a beloved dish, passed down through generations. Local resident. Quibebe has been a part of our family gatherings for as long as I can remember. It's a taste of our history, a connection to our ancestors. Quibebe in Brazilian literature and arts. Did you know that Quibebe has made its way into Brazilian literature and arts? Writers and artists often use this dish as a symbol of cultural identity and nostalgia. It's not just food, it's a muse for creativity, sparking inspiration in unexpected places. Quibebe's global influence. Here's a twist. Quibebe isn't just popular in Brazil. In recent years, this delectable dish has gained attention on the international culinary stage. Chefs around the world have embraced its flavors, putting their own spin on the classic recipe and introducing it to new audiences. International chef. Quibebe is a hidden gem, and its unique combination of flavors deserves to be shared globally. I love incorporating it into my menu, giving my customers a taste of Brazil. And there you have it, the unknown facts of Brazilian Quibebe. From its indigenous origins to the diverse regional variations, this dish is a true culinary adventure. Have you ever tried quibebe? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey into Brazilian cuisine. Subscribe for more amazing content, and I'll see you in the next video.